Before anyone comes for me, yes, they're called cracked green beans, and there's a delicious reason why, so stick around and find out. Start off with 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar, a quarter of a cup of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We want 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and then give that a good mix. This is going to have a slightly thick consistency, which is fine. Then we want to spray a 9 by 13 baking dish. Put in 3 cans of cut green beans, drained, of course. Now put in your sauce that you made. And again, like I said, it is somewhat thick. Just try to spread it out as evenly as you can. And then just give that a spread about the top there, just kind of trying to spread it out evenly. And then take 6 to 8 pieces of bacon. If you want more, go for it. That's already been cooked nice and crispy. We're going to break it up into decent sized pieces, not too small, not too big, and just sprinkle those over the top. And then we're going to put this into our oven that has been preheating at 350 degrees. We're going to cook that for 25 minutes, and here you have it. Absolutely delicious green beans that are sweet and savory. Everyone's going to love it. They're going to ask you for this recipe. This one is definitely one to remember, and it's perfect for any holiday, any meal. You're going to love it.